Okay, so guys, I bring another very quick recipe today. Cucumber salad. So cucumber with the king prawn salad. So guys, I'm telling you step by step. This recipe is very easy and delicious to eat, and I'm going to make very spicy cucumber salad. So let's begin. For cucumber salad ingredients I took 1 cucumber. You can take any kind of cucumber, and 2 tomatoes, 1 red onion, and prawn. This is the king prawn, is raw, about 50 gram, 2 lime, 3 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 red hot chilies. This is very hot. Fish sauce, I'm going to use only 3 tablespoons, and salt, and 4 to 5 purple tomatoes. So guys, you can see it's purple tomatoes. This is very nice flavors. So first I'm going to boil the prawn. So gas on, and I took little bit water. Let it boil first. So I'm going to put the prawn first. I'm going to cook 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, it's already cooked. So I'm going to drain the water. So I'm going to gas off, then take off. So let it cool down first. Then I'm going to cut the cucumber, tomato, and onion. So I'm going to cut in this size. Then I'm going to cut off like this. I'm not going to use this soft one, because this soft seed is quite watery, so your salad will be extra watery. Then I'm going to cut very thin long slice like that. Next I'm going to cut the tomatoes. So same, I'm going to take off the seed. Just take off the seeds like that. Then just cut same size, very thin slice like that. Then I'm going to cut the purple tomato. So guys, I'm not going to take up the seed from here. I'm just going to cut very slice like that. You can see it's beautiful color. Next I'm going to cut the onion. Same size, very thin. Next I'm going to put the chili here, garlic, little bit salt. So guys, this salad will be very spicy, very nice, my favorite, and very easy to make, and it's very delicious to eat. So guys, you must try this recipe. It's not takes long time, only 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Same style like a papaya salad, but we're just using the cucumber. Then next I'm going to put the lime. Then I'm going to put the fish sauce. You can skip if you don't like. This is very strong smell and salty as well. Then mix all together. Don't put too much fish sauce, otherwise it will be very salty and strong. Then I'm going to mix all together. Then I'm going to put the prawns. Then all mix juice. Then mix properly. Oh, looks yummy already. So guys, this is our cucumber and king prawn salad ready. Look very yummy and delicious. So guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you must try this recipe. It's very easy, and you can see it looks very delicious. Once again, thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.